Hey guys! So, y'all wanted a video on how to properly buy food for a big family, right? First things first, buy fresh. You will be surprised at how much you can get with fresh vegetables versus canned goods. Things like cabbage is like 49 cents a pound. You can get a 6 pound cabbage or even get two and only spend about $3. Making things like chili and spaghetti, of course, is a big family. But if you buy a whole chicken, it's probably like $8 or $9. Then you buy like a cabbage, that's like $2, $3. And then you buy some rice, and you make it with some rice. And about $15 later, you can feed a family of 6. Like, why buy a bag of Idaho Spuds from the instant potatoes when you can buy a 5 pound bag of russet potatoes for $2.50? Like, why buy pancake mix when you can buy flour and it'd be cheaper? Why buy a 75-cent can of green beans when you can buy 2 pounds of fresh green beans and get 10 times more for about $2, $3? I understand it lasts longer with the canned goods, but this ain't Armageddon. It's just the coronavirus. The power ain't going out. The lights ain't going out. What? Just wait till Sunday and go buy your fresh produce from Aldi's, Lidl, Harris Teeter, whatever, and y'all be fine. Okay.